Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Students, now in this video we are discussing C4 pathway. C4 pathway. அப்படின்னா in photosynthesis start பண்ணும்போது we see now we have discussed now, suppose in plants first product suppose it has 4 carbon, suppose if the first product 4 carbon compound means, so those plants we are taking them as C4 plants already we seen in previous video. So where by the process of photosynthesis where the synthesis of 4 carbon compound takes place so those plants we are taking them as C4 plants and the pathway is known as C4 pathway. Likewise we see now, so that is the information. C4 plants means sir edo one example kudunga. So what are the plants we have to save in our mind means maize plant eduthuko maize or sorghum. Maize means popcorn or sweet corn we will have adida. This example remember panniko. Now based on that particular plant what is the information is going on. Now let us see according to our subject concern. Now plants that are adapted to dry tropical regions. So means here what are the plants that are adapted to dry tropical regions that have C4 pathway. So that have C4 pathway, though these plants have the C4 oxalic acid. So as the first CO2 fixation product, they use the C4 pathway or the Calvin cycle as the main photosynthetic pathway. Point purida. So one more time, if C4 plants what is the product is going to be formed? C4 or 4 carbon compound oxaloacetic acid. So as the first CO2 fixation product, if carbon dioxide is going to be fixed at the time in C4 plants first product 4 carbon compound that particular 4 carbon compound name only is oxaloacetic acid. So now they use, so even while this process is going on, so what is happening? They use the C4 pathway or Calvin cycle as a main biosynthetic pathway. So there what is a very important pathway is there means here even in C4 plants also C3 plant or C3 pathway or Calvin cycle only playing an important role. Means here Calvin cycle only we are considering as a main biosynthetic pathway. Next one, C4 plants are special. The C4 plants are special and they have a special type of leaf anatomy and they tolerate high temperatures. C4 plants special one. Sir, sir special so they have a special kind of leaf anatomy. So because of the having of a special type of anatomy they can tolerate high temperatures and they show a response to the high light intensities. So they can tolerate a high temperatures means, so if high temperature higher temperature, so suppose if the light intensity is more, suppose if the light intensity is more means then we can observe the higher temperatures generally So likewise, so here so 4 points we are going to discuss or we are discussing in relation to the C4 plants. What are those? C4 plants are special. This is one point. The C4 plants have special type of leaf anatomy. That is another one. Next one, third one is they tolerate higher temperatures. This is the next one. And the fourth one is they show the response to the high light intensities. So they show response to the high light intensities. So likewise, so 4 important points. Sir, these 4 only sir means still so many points comes one by one save pannikkalam. Next, they lack a process called photorespiration. So here we have written like this. So they lack a process. Lack means absent. The lack of the photorespiration process. Sir, here specially we are writing no under C4 pathway, but a photorespiration term we didn't see in C3 plants. Appadina in C3 plants photorespiration process takes place. Sir means yes sama. So in C3 plants no photorespiration process takes place, but in C4 plants no photorespiration process is absent. This null save neat bit it is. Okay, next one. And these C4 plants have the greater productivity of biomass. So means here in comparison between the C3 plants and C4 plants, sir, which one will produce more food, sir? Means simple answer is C4 plants. C4 plants have greater productivity than the C3 plants. Next one, particularly a large cells around the vascular bundles of C4 plants or no. Ipo paathuko, particularly this important point. Large cells around the vascular bundles of C4 plants are known as bundle sheath cells. Appadina ipo vascular bundles are there no, adema the complex tissue, xylem and phloem. Combined like xylem and phloem members only no, together we are calling as bundle sheath cells. Ipo these bundle sheath cells are covered by vascular bundles are covered by bundle sheath cells in C4 plants. One more time, in C4 plants vascular bundles are covered by bundle sheath cells. Vascular bundles are covered by bundle sheath cells. Okay, this is the important point. Later, and the leaves which have such anatomy is said to be Cranch anatomy. That particular things means here what is the thing, when we are going to, or when the particular vascular bundles are covered by the bundle sheath cells, so that kind of a phenomenon now we are going to take it as Cranch anatomy. Means when the vascular bundles are covered by the bundle sheath cells, so in the leaves, so such kind of anatomy only we are calling as Cranch anatomy. Sir, Cranch means sir, means Cranch means wreath. Wreath means, so suppose if chinna rope edti, so how girls will arrange the flowers, no? So malai, when we are going to prepare the malai, no, at the time, so we will take one rope or thread and we will tag all flowers in one sequence. Likewise only, so the arrangement will be there. So that kind of particular arrangement only we will be taking as Cranch anatomy, meaning is wreath. Next one, and is a reflection of arrangement of cells, and the bundle sheath cells may form several layers around the vascular bundles. So sorry, how many layers we can guess or how many layers we can expect means, so definitely we can expect more layers, sometimes more than that. Okay, so later what are the things we can see here is next one. So they are characterized by having of a large number of chloroplasts. So paathuko one more time. The bundle sheath cells may form several layers around the vascular bundles, and they are characterized by having of large number of chloroplasts. Characterized by having of large number of chloroplasts means in bundle sheath cells we will observe the presence of more number of chloroplasts, and the bundle sheath cell walls are thick cell walls and impervious to gaseous exchange. Means here, so when the cell walls are very thick, so gaseous exchange also process will not be taken place. This is important point. Now paathuko one more time, bundle sheath cells paathumbodu. So these bundle sheath cells, how it will be? These bundle sheath cells will be like, these bundle sheath cells so definitely consist of more number of chloroplasts, and So the cell walls are very thick and impermeable. Impermeous means impermeable to the gaseous exchange, means even gaseous exchange also will not be taken place. And one more important point, there is no intercellular spaces. Even we could not find out the presence of even the gaps present between the cells. If a gap present between the cells only, no, we will be taking as intercellular spaces. So those kind of spaces also are absent. Later, C4 plants, example point of view, I told you, in first only, so maize or sorghum eduthuko. So to observe the craniotomy and the distribution of mesophyll cells. So to study the craniotomy and to observe the distribution of the mesophyll cells, no, we can study the craniotomy in maize or sorghum. Next one, this pathway that has been named as Hutch-Slack pathway and so this kind of pathway, now we can be taken this pathway as even Hutch-Slack pathway also. Why? Because Hutch and Slack members, so they have been confirmed the first stable product or first product 4 carbon compound in these C4 plants. That's why in sugarcane, actually they have confirmed in sugarcane. That's why, so when they have studied the C4 pathway in sugarcane, no, so because of their efforts, no, we are calling that particular cycle as Hutch and Slack pathway, and it is also cyclic pathway or cyclic process. Even this particular process also is cyclic process. Cyclic process means, so likewise where the process is started, no, so by end, no, the process is ends, means C3 cycle we see, no, even like a C3 cycle madhira, the process we can be we will notice later. Next one, here paathipo enna information. So the primary carbon dioxide, the primary carbon dioxide acceptor is a 3 carbon molecule. The primary carbon dioxide molecule, the primary carbon dioxide acceptor is 3 carbon molecule, that is 3 carbon molecule. So that is phosphoenol pyruvate. So this particular phosphoenol pyruvate is 3 carbon compound. So here, so now here what is I think the primary carbon dioxide acceptor is a 3 carbon molecule and the name is phosphoenol pyruvate, or simply we will be taking that as PEP. That it is phosphoenol pyruvate, PEP, and is present in the mesophyll cells. So here our knowledge point of view, now 2 types of cells are there. So one is mesophyll cells and one more is bundle sheath cells. One is mesophyll cells and one more is second one is bundle sheath cells. Now here in a mesophyll cells, so what we are observing, the presence of phosphoenol pyruvate. Generally mesophyll cells means, so generally which one must be there, no, Rubisco enzyme must be there, but here in C4 plants, no, in mesophyll cells Rubisco enzyme is absent, but phosphoenol pyruvate enzyme is present. So that is the point only now I am going to give you the enzyme. So the enzyme which is responsible for the fixation of the fixation is known as PEP carboxylase. So here the PEP carboxylase means here the PEP carboxylase, or simply we will be taking as PEPase or PEPase. Okay, next one, it is important to register that the mesophyll cells lack of Rubisco enzyme. Actually C3 plants, C3 cycle we see no ange ellame cells C3 like mesophyll cells da ange in a C3 cycle, you know, what is the enzyme is present we see in a mesophyll cells, you know, where in C3 plants mesophyll cells, you know, we have seen the presence of Rubisco enzyme, but here in C4 plants mesophyll cells, you know, Rubisco enzyme is absent, but what is the enzyme is present? So PEP carboxylase enzyme is present. This is null point save pannikonga. Actually C3 plants irukudana ange C3 plants nalli generally in a mesophyll cells nalli Rubisco enzyme is present, But in C4 plants, mesophyll cells are there, no? Ange Rubisco enzyme is absent. Then sir, what is the enzyme is present, sir? Means ange PEP carboxylase enzyme is present. It nalla save panniko, important. So that's why what is the point here we are writing? It is important to register that the mesophyll cells lack of Rubisco enzyme. The C4 acid means a 4 carbon compound oxaloacetic acid is formed in the mesophyll cells, and the bundle sheath cells are rich in an enzyme Rubisco. Appadena path actually in C3 plants, no, in mesophyll cells we have seen the Rubisco enzyme, but in C4 plants, no, Rubisco enzyme is present in bundle sheath cells. This is important. So that's why, so what is the point? Bundle sheath cells are rich in an enzyme, Rubisco enzyme, but lack of PEPase or PEPase. Here once you come down here, once you see there, this is mesophyll cell and this is bundle sheath cells. So this one how we have to remember means MBA course is there. So MBA course means here for we will do suppose some kind of financial works and all, you know, MBA people will do, no. So likewise, so MBA. Now M stands for mesophyll cells, aprom bundle sheath cells. Why I have given this small code means after few days, no, suppose we may get doubt. So first mesophyll cell irka, bundle sheath cell irka. Likewise we may get a doubt. At the time, no, to prevent that particular doubt or to avoid such kind of doubts, no. So I have given one clarity, MBA branch or the MBA group, remember panikonga. Okay ma? So right. Now what are the main important points now related to the enzyme we have learned, no? Generally in C3 plants, in mesophyll cells, no, we have seen the presence of Rubisco enzyme, but in C4 plants, no, in C4 plants mesophyll cells, instead of Rubisco enzyme, PEP carboxylase enzyme is present, and in a bundle sheath cells, no, what we have seen, presence of Rubisco enzyme we seen in case of only C4 plants. Don't get confused, my dear students, later. So two more important points, egg granule chloroplast are present in the bundle sheath cells. A granule, appadana over time nalla paathukinga, a granule means grana is absent. Ipo grana means thylakoid, group of thylakoids, no, already we have learned. Likewise a granule chloroplast, appadana group of thylakoids comes together one by one arrangement we see, no, in a chloroplast structure. That kind of structures are absent in the bundle sheath cells. And if you take mesophyll cells, no, the mesophyll cells of C4 leaf have the grana. Again mesophyll cells pathambodha definitely ange C4 plants mesophyll cells, no, definitely we will present the or we will observe the grana, group of thylakoids. So thereby in mesophyll cells and bundle sheath cells together are present in the C4 plants only, no. That's why in C4 plants, what is the important point we can see means chloroplast dimorphism. Chloroplast dimorphism means dimorphism means di means two, morphism means two type of two types. One is agranule chloroplast and another one is granule chloroplast. So thereby two types only, no. So that is a point nalla save pannikonga. Aprom now let us have the information on the mesophyll cells and bundle sheath cells. Now pathima. So first of all here we have to start. So once you see cells also differentiation I will give you. So from here to this entire cell will be the mesophyll cells, and in bundle sheath cells, no, this is the bundle sheath cell. This is nalla mark paniko. And here in mesophyll cells, no, chloroplast. This chinna box is, no, so this small box is a chloroplast, and here in a bundle sheath cells, no, entire process which occurs in the chloroplast. Okay ma? So now here you see that the process of carbon fixation is started with the PEP. Why? Because here the PEP only, no, first carbon dioxide acceptor. So already we see, no, in first line primary carbon dioxide acceptor 3 carbon molecule phosphoenol pyruvate. Here we see, no, this is the phosphoenol pyruvate or phosphoenol pyruvic acid. Any one same only, no worry about it, don't get confused. So now, so this phosphoenol pyruvate or phosphoenol pyruvic acid with the help of PEP carboxylase enzyme, so it receives the one molecule of carbon, so in the form of bicarbonates. HCO3 means we know very well, you know, bicarbonate structures only, no. So one inorganic phosphate will come out. So at the time which one formation takes place? One 4 carbon compound, it is 4C, 4C means 4 carbon compound oxaloacetic acid is formed. Now oxaloacetic acid, where it has been formed? It is formed in the cytoplasm or the cytosol. This is chloroplast. One cell organelle we have written means outside of the cell organelle, this one entire one is a cytoplasm only, no. So thereby in the cytosol we are observing the formation of 4 carbon compound oxaloacetic acid. So from here to the oxaloacetic acid now enters into the chloroplast of mesophyll cells. Now later it is converted into malic acid. Even malic acid also 4 carbon compound. When this particular process is going to be taken place, NADPH is utilized and it is oxidized, means that is converted into NADP plus. Later now the malic acid which is produced in the chloroplast of mesophyll cells now enters into the chloroplast of bundle sheath cells. Now the malic acid now by taking or with the help of NADP plus, now it is converted into NADPH plus H plus. Means one time paathaga ingo chloroplast of mesophyll cells, no, NADPH it is converted into NADP plus, and in a chloroplast of bundle sheath cells it is NADP plus, it is converted into NADPH plus H plus. Okay, means here there is no net gain or there is no production of NADPH. Here path one more time, NADPH converted into NADP plus. Now here the NADP plus converted into NADPH plus H plus. So there is no further net gain. Okay. Now here malic acid 4 carbon compound already we see, no. So at the time 4 carbon compound to 1 carbon dioxide when it is going out, no, decarboxylation process. Decarboxylation. D means removal, coming out. Which one is coming out? Carbon dioxide. That's why decarboxylation. So now here the 1 carbon dioxide coming from the malic acid, coming out from the malic acid. So that at the time 3 carbon compound pyruvic acid is formed. Now 1 carbon dioxide is produced, no. This 1 carbon dioxide involves in the C3 cycle. But in previous video we learned for the formation of one glucose molecule in the cytoplasm, how many number of carbon dioxides are required? 6 molecules of carbon dioxides are required, no. But when this particular cycle is one time it is cycling, at the time how many number of carbon dioxides are produced? Only 1. So thereby to produce one glucose molecule, definitely how many number of carbon dioxides are required? 6 are required. So thereby to produce one complete glucose molecule, so this particular cycle should be cycled by 6 times, then only one glucose molecule formation takes place. This is null point. So here C3 cycle here we are taking, no, in chloroplast of bundle sheath cells. Sir, sir, here C3 cycle occurs means because of the presence of Rubisco enzyme in bundle sheath cells. So that is the point here, some other place we have discussed. Nulla save panniko. So from the malic acid to pyruvic acid is produced. Now the pyruvic acid now which is moving from the chloroplast of bundle sheath cells to now the chloroplast of mesophyll cells as pyruvic acid only. Now when the pyruvic acid now it is going to be converted into phosphoenol pyruvate, again it consumes. Again one time only it consumes the 2 molecules of ATP plus PI. So at the time here 2 molecules of ATP consume, so 2 molecules of adenosine monophosphate plus 2 molecules of inorganic phosphate formation now. So now here this PEP now again comes into the cytoplasm. Here one arrow mark we can keep. Now the PEP now from the chloroplast of mesophyll cells to migrate into the cytoplasm as PEP only. Again it will get ready to receive the carbon dioxide in the form of bicarbonates, and with the help of PEP carboxylase enzyme oxaloacetic acid formation takes place. So likewise, so here one C3 cycle process takes place. Ipo one time paathuko. This 1 carbon dioxide, 1 carbon is received at the time. So when this particular process is going to be taken place, in a C4 cycle alone 2 molecules are utilized for 1 cycle. So once to produce one glucose molecule, definitely this cycle should be cycled 6 times. means 6 times means in a C4 cycle alone how many number of ATP molecules consumption takes place or will be consumed? So one time 2 ATPs are going to be consumed. Appadena 6 times means 6 into 2. Appadena 12 molecules of ATP will be consumed. Adi in mind lepotuko. Apron here C3 cycle also taking place. So for the formation of glucose, definitely C3 cycle is a main important process. That one already we have learned in early on, in the starting of this video. So thereby, so what is the energy consumption that takes place in the C3 cycle? We know very well. What it is in a C3 cycle, 18 molecules of ATP and 12 molecules of NADPH's consumption takes place for the producing of one glucose molecule. So thereby in a C3 cycle 18 ATP and in a C4 cycle 12 ATP. So total for producing of one glucose molecule 30 ATP consumption or 30 ATP molecules are consumed, and this particular 12 NADPH from where we have isolated this one directly we are taking from the C3 cycle, but there is no net gain of NADPH in a C4 cycle. Why? Because here NADPH is produced, here the NADPH is again it is consumed. So thereby there is no net gain. So thereby here what is the point we can finalize now? To synthesize one molecule of glucose, in a C4 plants, or C4 plants utilizes 30 ATP and 12 NADPH. And during this pathway, how many number of carboxylations means carbon dioxide fixation. In a mesophyll cells one time, ipo carbon dioxide carbon form for formation of oxaloacetic acid ange one. C3 cycle takes place in a mesophyll cells means carboxylation processes as well as decarboxylation processes. Decarboxylation means I told you carbon dioxide veli means it is not coming to the atmosphere, it is coming out from the reaction. Adi remember pannikoma. So one decarboxylation process occurs. And one more important point, the carbon dioxide it cannot come out. Why? We learned one point, no, bundle sheath cell walls are very thick and the bundle sheath cells are impermeable of gases, we learned in information. So based on that particular point also, what is the carbon dioxide which is released in the bundle sheath cells? Kandipa it must be involved in the C3 cycle, it cannot come out from the bundle sheath cells. Why? Because bundle sheath cells are very thick and impermeable to the gases. So these are all main important points. Let us keep under, let us save in our mind under the C4 pathway. Nalla save panniko 1 or 2 times. So suppose if you get this information, so whatever may be that question, let them ask in a NEET examination. Very clearly we can give answer. So Rima, take care. So and be safe at home.